There is a way to make hard work super addictive and super fun. It is going to work for you no matter your age or your circumstances or how much money you have, how tall, how short you are. So I used to be addicted to this game called PUBG Mobile. I was not playing the game itself, I was just watching gaming videos on YouTube, and that's how I fooled my brain to think that I'm the one who is playing the game, but I was not playing the game. And in that phase of my life, my productivity was super low, my grades were super low, and I really tried studying for some time, but nothing was working. And I always wondered, what really is it? Until I went down this rabbit hole of information and I came across this YouTuber called Raf. Someone just gave me this idea and I applied it and I found it super helpful. So when I used to watch gaming videos, I would download a lot of gaming videos. Then it was time to actually do the work, and I would be thinking to myself, should I work or should I watch this video? And obviously, I just chose to just watch gaming videos the whole day, even though I knew that working hard was the best thing to do. So when I deleted all the games from my phone, the gaming videos, I found it super easy to just do the work, and my grades went through the roof. The funny thing is that I did not implement any startup techniques, any Pomodoro techniques. I just stopped stimulating myself the whole day, and just like that, my productivity was times 10, times 20. I found that the reason why most of us procrastinate, don't work hard, is because our lives are more stimulating. That the work that we want to do becomes boring because our life is too stimulating. So if you want to make hard work fun and addictive, you have to remove all stimulating stuff from your day. Because for me, let's say watching video games was this level of fun, right? My work was this level of fun. Then I removed these video games and the work just went up here. So now the work is very fun. The work is as fun as watching gaming videos, and that's how I was able to just become more productive, super hardworking. It's so easy. And you are thinking, well, Blitzing, that's a very good idea, but I won't do it because I love playing games, I love watching porn, I love lying to myself and giving myself stupid dopamine. Well, this is your life. This is everything that you believe in. If you have big goals, imagine Elon Musk. Do you think he's watching videos on YouTube for 2 hours a day? No. Imagine Hamza. Imagine David Goggins. Do you think they're watching videos all day? Do you think they're watching porn like you are doing? Bro, it was simple. And the studies have shown that there are a bunch of idiots who watch this channel but are not subscribed. Is that you? I hope not. Subscribe, and I'm going to see you at the top.